Today we're going to practice combining like terms. Remember that when we learned this in class, we talked about apples and oranges. If you have different terms, one's like apples and the other's like oranges, if you have 2 apples and 3 oranges, you don't have 5 apple oranges, you have 2 apples and 3 oranges. To help you with these problems, it's always a good idea to highlight or draw different shapes around your like terms to help you match them. If I take a look at these 2 expressions in parentheses, there's addition between them, so I know I'm going to be adding everything. If there's a negative sign or a minus sign in front of a term, make sure you include that when you highlight the term or put a circle around it. The first thing I'm going to look at are the p's. I have a 4p in the first one and a 3p in the second one. They're both positive, so I'm just going to highlight the actual values. The next thing I want to look at is the q's. In the first term it says plus q, so I don't have to worry about highlighting the sign in front of it, but in the second one it says minus 7q. Please remember that subtraction is the same thing as negative addition, so you can change that to plus negative 7q. That will help you as you're solving the problem. The last set of like terms are the numbers. Remember that you cannot combine single numbers with variables. So as I highlight the first one, it's positive 2. The second one is minus 6. Remember that subtraction is negative addition, so this becomes plus negative 6. Down here, I'm going to rewrite this with my like terms together because it'll be easier for me to see. I'm going to start with my pink one, so it's 4p plus 3p. I'm going to add to that q and negative 7q, because remember subtraction's negative addition, 2, and then negative 6. It's okay if you have to come down to the next line if you run out of room. Now you've got all your like terms together, so you can start combining. 4p plus 3p is 7p. q plus negative 7q is negative 6q. 2 plus negative 6 is negative 4. I've rewritten all of these with the addition signs, but remember subtraction and negative addition are the same thing. If you look at your answer choices are all with subtraction, so rewrite this with only subtraction signs. 7p minus 6q minus 4, which is answer choice A.